Good morning. It's Tuesday morning, second day here in Missouri. We got about 45 minutes until the gobbling's gonna start. It's about 5:15 right now. The gobbler to the east, if he kicks off again, I'm just gonna start heading that direction. Mine was real tight-lipped, like I said, on the ridge over here. But if that one fires off pretty good, then I'll probably go down around to the field underneath of them and try to just slip into the woods a little bit, just a little bit. Feeling a little chilly this morning. I should have put my thin layer on my legs this morning. The birds are starting to gobble, and there's a bunch of them. All of them seem a bit far away, but it makes the decision making hard. Which way do I go? There's a bird up here gobbling. Sometimes he sounds a few hundred yards, sometimes he sounds 600 yards. But I'm gonna go make a move, get my sweatshirt off and start heading that direction. I heard one gobble twice. I think he's still on public. He's a long way away. But I think I know where he's at based off the map and his direction. So that's where we're going. It's a long ways, but what else am I going to do? Sit against a tree and stare in the woods? I got about 4 or 5 turkeys behind me gobbling their heads off. Just on the other side of the fence. They've been up there all morning. So right now I'm out running and gunning, which sounds a lot cooler than it is. Because I'm not running, I'm just walking. I'm not gunning. If I'm lucky, I get to shoot once. And I'm just calling. So really, I'm just walking and calling. That's the sound of the American bald eagle. Not that sound. That squeaky one. That one. And that one. I don't think I got it on camera, unfortunately. He's right there. He was in full strut, spitting and drumming. There's one on the hill still talking, coming down.
The other two went down the hill. Man, I wish I would have got that on video better. And he did not flop or anything. He was down for the count. Full strut, spitting and drumming. I'm gonna wait until it's clear, and then I'm gonna leave. Try not to spook these birds too much so Chris can come back and hunt them this week. I wish I would have got on camera better, but he was in full strut. Didn't flop or anything. Now the old bird, and he's got some spurs, but not too big. I had 4 gobblers come in to my right, came down the hill, crossed the fence onto the neighbors. He's in full strut spitting. And he saw my decoy on my side of the fence and came over to my side, strutting in full strut and stuff just outside of the camera view. And I decided I'd go ahead and take it if I had the chance. There's a cow pasture up the hill on another neighbor, and they've been up there all morning since they got off the roost, strutting back and forth all morning long. They didn't think they were ever going to come down, and they finally decided to come down the hill. He was strutting right in here. I couldn't see him because the blind was closed up on the backside. And then he worked his way right through here. And the other two came through there too. I saw them. And they went down the hill on my neighbor there. And then when I shot, he was strutting right there in the corner. Then when he saw my decoy right over here, he crossed the fence. And then he started strutting on me right here at this corner. And there was a fourth one doing some yelps. He was up in there. But earlier this morning there were several hens in here, and that's why they weren't coming down. I guess they finally got done with them. It was about about 23 steps he was. And look at all those feathers. He didn't flop once. He just went down and he was done. 3.5 inch longbeard, Winchester longbeards. There's the wad. Man, I wish I would have got that on camera. It would have been some good footage. Full strutting, spitting, drumming. My camera was spacing more from the blind over just in front of that decoy there, and he was just out of the camera view. I make these game carriers for duck hunting now, 550 cord, and they come in real handy for hauling out turkeys too. Slip one over each leg. Slip one around the neck.
I'm gonna go over and get real close to that spot where that bird triple gobbled me yesterday and make a stand there for a few minutes and see what happens. We're gonna jump spots. I turned my phone off of airplane mode, and Bart said he's got one. I asked him if he was kidding, but I haven't got a response yet. But we're gonna end up driving right by the house Anyway, so if his truck's back, we'll pull in. Well, Bart did get a bird, and so I'm waiting for him at his house, and when he gets back, I'll clean it out real quick and head over to this next spot for the last hour and a half or so of legal. Well, is he taking a front seat ride or a back seat ride?
He's in the back. He's a gobbler, but he's a young gobbler.
Those are the best kind. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. Look at that.
Got a little bit on his breast and a skirt of wing.
That's a solid bird right there.
Doesn't scream too much.
Got a big snoot.
Didn't even flop once.
Just down like a pillow.
Dead. He was there strutting. He was just down the hill, just a little bit out of the camera view, unfortunately. He was in full strut, fanned out, facing straight at me. He's like, oh, let's look at it on camera, get shooting it like this. Normally I put a putt or something, get their head to come up. So I shot down. It's like, I looked over at the camera, like, shit, I don't think I got it on camera. This morning, they're gobbling everywhere this morning. It's like, it's gotta be like 8 or more.
Oh, that's pretty hefty.
Gotta get a rope.
I got one on my scale.
Wait,
Hang on.
Gotta measure it too.
No.
There's no way.
It's got to be on kilos.
Yeah, it is. Hold on. Let me switch it. There we go.
All right, zeros. Where we at? 21 pound, 15 ounce. 21.15.
Probably lost an ounce of blood.